To draw His Majesty King Charles III, start right in the middle and draw two kind of little letter C's like that. And those are the pupils, the little black holes in the middle of the eye. And then those are the irises around them. And then we want to draw the top eyelid like that, and then the lower one just below the circle there. And then this one also wants to kind of curve away like that. Now across the top here we want to go up and across and down, and up and across and down. And then we have the bridge of the nose going up across like that, and it sort of goes up a little bit there. But here we want to go across and then down. So it's going to go across and then down. And we've got quite a few lines under the eyes. We've got a sort of one short one and then a longer one. And then we want a much longer one that's going to come out like that. So it's like a great big S, a snake really, isn't it? Now the nose will be around about here, and so draw a U shape, and that's then going to come out into the nostrils like that. Come down a bit more, and we want a little bit of kind of like a smile, very shallow smile, but then it wants to curl down at the edges like that. And then we want the lips will go up there, and the bottom lips down there. Here we're going to have a very deep curve, sort of line coming down like that. Another one on the other side. And then we want the chin is going to come up there like that. And then it kind of swoops up. So this is going to come up here and then out a little bit and then swoop up, where there will be a little mole at the top there as well. And we're going to see the Adam's apple round about there, and then that will sort of swoop. That will then swoop up there to in front of the ear. So that will go up like that. Now we're also going to get these kind of lines coming down to the chin there as well, and maybe have some little dots in there, so that it's not such a hard line. We can maybe sort of add a bit more in the nose, a bit more under there, a lot of shadow underneath the eyes. So these are the eyebrows here, and we can maybe add a few more hairs to the eyebrows like that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. And then the ears will be kind of around about here, just coming down a little bit and then up, going to go down a little bit and then up. We're going to get little curves in the ears, you know, all this stuff that goes on, these wiggly lines that go on in there. That will sort of come down, and then we can come up like that. Another one in between. Now here I'm going to draw hair, just going like that, just to get us started on the hair. And we want to come up to around about there, draw a little dot, so that we can then kind of draw a curve down to there, and then that will come a curve to about there. And then this is going to have, you can draw sort of a dotted line to about there, and then this is going to curve out that way and curve out that way, and then this will come down to join those little bits there. This is the parting, which will be coming across like that, And then we want this to come up and around, and then kind of pretty much straight down like that. And then we want some wisdom lines, so we can put these lines in here like this, which should come across, showing how wise His Majesty is. And then we have a few more lines in the hair like that. And then we can bring the neck down, and we want a kind of a V coming down to just below the Adam's apple there. And then we're going to have a curve coming to there. Just come up a little bit there, and then, oh, let's bring that in there. We'll have a curve coming down like that. And then here we're going to want a collar. So there's just two nice curves, and then the tie is two straight lines coming in, a little bit of a curve, and two straight lines going out. And you can maybe put some stripes in on that tie as well. Now the collar will come down like that, and will then come straight down there, and we'll come in a little bit, in a little bit, and then out, and then out like that, getting thinner down there. The shoulders will be about there, so we'll do like that, and then those will be the arms going down there. And I think you might find that, that the king is rather fond of a pocket handkerchief in his top pocket, so we can maybe do something like that, maybe even make it a bit tartan like that. And we'll want some little marks like that. We're going to have a buttonhole there, and I think we're going to want some more smile lines around like that there, and maybe some little dimples as well. His eyes are very deep set, so what I'm going to do is draw these little lines coming down from under the eyebrow, and this will add some shade and darkness like that. And also in the eyeballs here as well, you want a little bit of extra shade too. We can maybe have some underneath there. We could add some little lines on the lip there, and a little bit just like that. And we could add some more, because we're going to want to see some shadow underneath here, like that. So this kind of shading is called hatching, and that's all we're going to do is just this one angle, and I'm going to put a little bit in there as well. We could, and I'm just going to do this vertical hatching, that's all I'm going to do there. And we could then maybe make the tie more interesting with some vertical hatching in there too. And I think I am going to leave it at that. I call it Draw Stuff Real Easy, but sometimes you're starting with something that's really difficult. So follow along. Remember, you can start and stop and go back as many times as you like. You're not going to break YouTube. And good luck. So thank you for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.